Okay guys, it's April the 20th, third day of the season. Didn't have much luck this weekend. Saw quite a few birds, but just never was in the right position, or they were on another farm adjacent to my farm or whatever. Called in hens, so on and so forth. So I took off this afternoon from work and decided to come over and try it again. Got that itch, need to scratch it, so we'll see what happens. It's windy, overcast, not the best day for turkey hunting, but I've killed them in worse conditions, so we'll see what happens once we get going here. It is about 3 o'clock right now, so we'll sit in here a couple, 3 hours and make the best of it. Better than being at work, that's for sure. Man, I am not believing this. I literally just got through calling not even 5 minutes ago, and I bet I've got the same hen right out in front of me again. Can this hen get a boyfriend? Golly. Unreal. Just now set up and called. That shows you how fast it can happen. And you better be ready when you call, because they could be on top of you in no time. And my decoy is blowing around like crazy. Let's see what she does. Probably same thing she did last time. Come in, look at them, feed off somewhere else. She's getting a little closer this time. Checking out her competition. Has to be the same hen. I wonder if she's got a net. Oh, there's two of them. We got two together. That's interesting. Where are the toms? That's the question. Well, it didn't take me long to get my answer. Not 10 minutes later, here comes a couple of gobblers. Okay, I decided to call because these things were moving the other way. Now they're coming back towards me. I don't know if they can see these hens up here or my decoys, but they're headed this way now again. Trouble is the hens are moving towards the toms now too. The hens calling too, so we're gonna see what happens here. This may totally blow up. Both these hens are headed right towards them. I'm gonna lose this game probably. Okay, you can see how close the hens are to them now. The hens are a good 60 yards from me. Take my boys away. Once a miracle happens. They haven't turned yet. I expect them to. I'm hoping they see the fan on this decoy. I'm more interested in that right now. Checking out their competition, and I think, oh no, I'm not gonna say it. As soon as I say it, it'll turn out wrong. I think they're coming. I got both of them in full strut about 50 yards out. I just turned on the GoPro. I'm gonna see how this works out. I ain't gonna risk losing one of these birds though. They don't want anything to do with the tom. We're gonna let one of these bad boys have it. Probably within shooting range right now. They're about 50. So be a little leery. They ain't gonna do it. I can't believe it. I've been here literally less than 30 minutes, and it is about, oh, it's about 3:45, and I rocked this thing's head, man. Old Mossberg still shoots good to this day, that full choke. But you saw the footage of those boys. They were trying to come in, but they were a little leery of that B-Mobile, I think. So it's a good, I don't know, he may be a 3-year-old bird. He's definitely got pretty good spurs and real nice beard. Probably 10.5 inches long. But this place never fails me, man. I tell you, I have so good a time over here. I just wish John Parker could have been with me, except he's in school. He doesn't have the luxury of taking off like I do. So we're going to wrap this up and get on out of here and let these birds be.